So, you bought yourself a new keyboard, shiny, colorful, and you plan to play video games up until 2 a.m., 3 a.m., but there is only one problem: noise. You didn't think about it when you bought the blue switches, as we all know. They're very famous and popular for the feeling, tactile bump, and that clicky sound that they make. But you are bothering your sister, your mother, your grandmother, and anyone around the house. Fear not, this little guy might be your solution. You can get this rubber band on Amazon or eBay for around $7. And what they do is they reduce the impact of the keycap on the metal plate of your keyboard or plastic. Okay, I have one here. Let me see. So, as you can experience, you can hear the noise of the keycap hitting the plate. With the rubber band, that is reduced up to a 75%. That's right. It does help, but it has its side effects, pros and cons. And the one I can think of is that you will lose the feeling of the blue key, the switch. We all love that tactile bump, but once you introduce the rubber band, you will lose that. The feeling will not be the same because it's going to be reduced. It feels like you're pressing into some kind of rubber or a gum, chewing gum. But if you still want to enjoy your keyboard and bother nobody, that might be your solution. Will I recommend it? Probably. I personally don't like it because when I was using it, it felt like I wasn't using a blue switch keyboard. Now, if you don't mind losing that sensitivity or the feeling of clicking those keys, well, go for it. You don't lose anything. Personally, I don't use it, and I was very disappointed when I bought them because I was excited that I would not bother my wife or my family around the house. Sadly, I didn't like the feel. I hope you found this information useful, and if you plan to buy that or use something like this before, let me know what you think. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.